In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, click on security. Then scroll down again and tap on emergency SOS. Finally, you can select emergency contacts and click on add emergency contacts to select them. Just click on the chosen one and select cancel or OK in notify contact pop-up. Then do exactly the same to all the other contacts you need. If you wish to get rid of some of them, click on this icon at the top right corner and select this X next to your contact that you wish to delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can also click on the same icon at the top right corner and change placement of your all contacts by dragging them. Like that. To save them, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!